Hi, it's Elizabeth from Little More Braids, and today I'm going to show you how to do a messy bun the way I like to do it. I've always enjoyed the look of a messy bun, but the traditional way that I've been taught or learned how to do, I never liked, because when I would pull the elastic out, my hair would get wrapped up in it and it'd get tangled and it would break and rip hair out, and it was a pain. And so I discovered what I like to call a loop, pull, and pin messy bun. It's super easy, it's super effective, and it doesn't rip out my hair. So here we go. Okay, I usually start by just pulling it up in a high pony. And it just depends on how messy I want the hair going into the pony. Some days I usually just finger comb it, or if I want a little bit more put together messy bun, I brush it up so I have it up, and then I will spray it and smooth it with this brush, but I don't want it to be too slicked back, so I'm just going to finger comb the rest. And what I do is I take my pony and I pull it through a couple times. So just depending on the elasticity of your ponytail holder, I pulled it through twice. On the third time, I'm going to pull it through and leave a little loop. And then I take the hanging tail and I basically just take it and tuck it in through the loop or through the elastic, making a bunch of little loops. And just depending on how long or short your hair is how long or how many loops you would put in. So there's the start of it. And then what I do is I start pulling on my loops to make them a little bit bigger, a little bit fuller, and then I pin. And I just take little sections, just depending on what it looks like and how I want it to look, and I pin it down. And this way, it's just super easy, it's super fast. And when it's time to pull it out, I remove the bobby pins and then I just kind of pull it out through the pony, and then my hair is not getting caught and I don't have a lot of breakage. So I'll pull some wisps down, and there is my messy bun. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments section if there's any other tutorials that you would like to see me do. See you later.